Hello, my name's Sam. I'm a fourth year chemical and biological engineering student, and I am entering a master's in the fall in pulp and paper technology with CHBE. So I went back to CHBE. My first degree was in theater, interestingly. Theater arts was a 2-year conservatory at Douglas College. And then I spent some time working as an actor and kind of living in Vancouver, and I decided I wanted to have more of a tangible impact on climate change. So I ended up coming back to school to study chemical and biological engineering at CHBE. And in that time, I became president of Engineers for a Sustainable World, which is an ex officio club with the EUS that focuses on sustainability. The main goal of my degree really has been to work in sustainable technologies and to try and do my part in combating climate change. You know, career goals are interesting to define because I feel like they're evolving all the time as opportunities come up. I think that everybody's career ends up being an interesting mix of intentional choices and just dumb luck. And I've been perhaps luckier than most. So my career long term is I want to work in an industry that is directly related to sustainability. I want to work on technologies that are actively making the world more sustainable. And fortunately, the opportunities that have come up have lined up well with that intention, although not in the ways that I originally thought. I originally thought I was going to end up, more focused on sort of the bio elements of it. But as I finished my degree, I found that while the bioprocessing elements were really fascinating to me, and I'm very glad that I was in the bio stream and I got that part of the education. I do think that the chemical processes are more suited to my skill set, really. I really fell in love with chemistry over the course of this degree. So for my master's, I'm fortunate to be able to work with Dr. Orlando Rojas in the CHBE department, who's bringing me on to study cellulose nanocrystals. Specifically, we're going to be taking hemp hurd and using ground hemp hurd to try and create a value-added product that can hopefully be used down the road to replace softwood lumber pulp in a lot of applications, things like tissue paper and paper towels and all kinds of stuff like that. So it's just a more sustainable source than your traditional pulping methods. Now, I was a transfer student, so I came in second year directly into CHBE from Langara, where I did my first year. So I had a bit of a different experience than most first years coming in. But what I would really say for first year students is get engaged on campus, go out, join clubs. Even if you don't feel like you can contribute a lot to their work or what have you, just getting involved in engineering clubs is really important. And go out and be seen on campus, meet engineers who are in their later years and talk to them, talk to some of the older students, get involved with clubs that you feel passionate about, and they'll be able to help guide you. It's not a decision that anybody's supposed to make alone.